Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your headphones JBL Tune 520. You have to start by opening the application and now scroll down. You need to find voice prompts. And right here we have it. Click on it and then go to language. This language is all available for you, so just choose language what you wanna change and click on it. So let's say I wanna change it to Deutsch, so I'm click here and then click apply. Now don't use your headphones, just wait until this update is finished. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!